Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your online status to Do Not Disturb on Discord. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working at home and you don't want to be bothered on Discord. How do you actually go ahead and change your online status to Do Not Disturb? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're first going to open up Discord. Next, you want to click on the bottom right-hand corner, your profile icon. Now, on the upper left-hand side, right underneath your profile picture image, you want to click on your name, okay? So notice how I'm clicking on my name. This is what's going to bring up your change online status window. So from here, you just select Do Not Disturb. And there you have it. Now your online status has been changed to Do Not Disturb. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your online status to Do Not Disturb on Discord. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.